Hello everyone, my name is Nafa Mola Saputri, NPM 23110400068. I'm from class 6C. In this presentation, I will analyze intercultural communication through the movie Outsearch 2006, focusing on cultural misunderstanding in real-life interaction. The movie Outsearch tells the story of Todd Anderson, an American who worked in India. This movie shows how people from different cultures interact in real life and experience misunderstanding due to cultural differences. Before analyzing the scenes, it is important to understand the cultural differences. American culture tends to be individualistic and direct, where people value privacy and independence. In contrast, Indian culture is a more collectivist and indirect, where social relationship and harmony are important. These differences influence how people communicate. When Todd arrived in India, he interacted with local people and experiences culture shock. This shows that interaction in different cultures can be challenging, especially when people are not familiar with each other's norms. In Indian culture, people are more open in social interaction, and asking personal questions is considered normal and friendly. In this scene, Todd is asked about his salary and marital status. He feels uncomfortable because in American culture, these topics are considered private. This is an example of misunderstanding caused by differences in cultural context and politeness. Language also plays an important role in intercultural communications. In this sense, misunderstanding happens because the same word has different meaning in different cultures. This shows how verbal communication can lead to confusion and misunderstanding. This is related to verbal communication theory. Cultural norms also influence daily behavior. In Indian culture, eating with the right hand is considered polite, while the left hand is inappropriate. Todd does not understand this at first, which creates misunderstanding. This reflects cultural context and politeness in communication. Cultural belief can also affect communication. In India, cows are considered sacred animals, while in American culture, they are seen as livestock. This difference creates misunderstanding between Todd and the local people. This shows how cultural values influence perception. Besides verbal communication, Nonverbal communication is also important. Thought, facial expressions, and body language show confusion and discomfort when facing unfamiliar situations. This shows how nonverbal communication reflects emotions and cultural differences. Based on the previous example, we can see that these misunderstandings are not random, but can be explained through several theories of cross-cultural communication. First, interaction in culture explain how people from different cultural backgrounds communicate differently in daily life. This can be seen when thought interact with Indian people and experiences culture shock. Second, cultural context shows how values and belief influence behavior. For example, asking personal questions is normal in Indian culture, but considered private in American culture. Third, intercultural communication occurs when people from different cultures interact, which often leads to misunderstanding due to different expectations. In addition, verbal and nonverbal communication also play an important role. Language differences, facial expressions, and body language can create confusion if interpreted differently. Politeness is also important because what is considered polite in one culture may be inappropriate in another culture. Finally, all of these differences can lead to misunderstanding, which is the main issue shown in the movie. From this movie, we learn that misunderstanding happens because people have different cultural backgrounds. To avoid misunderstanding, people need to understand, respect, and adapt to different cultures. Intercultural communication is important in real-life interaction. That's all for my analysis of this film. Thank you for watching.